In this video, we will cover the zoom feature on the timeline. If you have a longer timeline, it may be useful for you to zoom into certain areas so that instances become easier to see within the timeline. When zooming on the timeline, the playhead marks the point where the program will zoom to, so it's good practice to move the playhead to the center of the area you are wishing to zoom to before zooming on your timeline. So as you can see, I have a pretty long timeline with only a portion of it coded. It's a bit hard to see each individual instance because their duration is short in comparison to how long the timeline is. So I'll place my playhead in the center of the area I want to zoom to, which in this case will be the center of all the instances that I have coded. Then, if you come down to the bottom left of your timeline, you'll see a plus and a minus with a slider bar in between. To zoom, just click and drag the circle within that slider bar towards the plus. You can see as we move closer to the plus, the instances get larger, and you'll see a scroll bar appear at the bottom of the movie package, which will allow you to scroll along the timeline. Zooming is useful to see labels within an instance, but labels are only available when using Studiocode Pro or Studiocode Elite. If I zoom close enough in, the labels that are coded to an instance will appear within the instance in the timeline. You can see that the label shot has been added to these instances.